I don't want to announce the show. I'm too shy.
Oh, come now, love. Don't be a chicken.
Ah! What's that supposed to mean? And what's wrong with being a chicken?
Oi, begging your pardon, mate. Did I just do a racism? Blimey, I meant no offense, sir.
Ah! That's our word. Chicken lives matter. Fight the power.
All right, you two. Let's just get started. Mamangwa, you sure you don't want to announce the show, dear?
No, you do it, Anamush.
Anybody else want to give it a try? Waboos?
Sure, why not? I'll give it a go, dog.
Again, my name is Anamush, sir.
Oh yeah, that's right. Anamush. Okay. You want I should announce the show in the language? Ojibwe Moen?
Well, I didn't know you spoke Ojibwe. By all means.
Yeah, sure. What's the big whoop? Ahem. Nijana Shanabe Dug. Daga. Bindigain Minawa. Gini Ji. Nana Boozhoo.
Oh, not too bad, Waboos. You're another Ojibwe Moen Ogichi Daniji.
Get out of here.
Boozhoo ni Janashinabe Dug. And welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, I thought our Ojibwe language lesson could be just learning everybody's name here at the studio. You think that's enough for a show, boss?
We could all introduce ourselves in Ojibwe.
What do you think, Gajagents?
Sounds like a right loft to me, mate.
Okay then. Ikadon Boozhoo, Mamengwa.
Boozhoo, Mamengwa, Nindishin Kaz.
Anamush. Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Dug. Anamush Nindishin Kaz. Neeman Wayndam Oma Noon Goom. Oh, what? Ikadon Boozhoo, Gajagents.
Boozhoo. Gauge against an indigenous cause. Neiman Wayndam, Giwawa Bundan.
And Ikadon Boozhoo, Waboos.
Hey, Boozhoo Gakina. Waboos n'indigenous cause. Anin, Aji Ayan.
And of course, Baka Akwe, Ijanikazod. Ikadon Boozhoo Niji.
Ak! Baka! Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Dog. Baka Akwa in indigenous cause. Neiman Wayndam, Omanung Gom. Miigwech.
Oh, well done, you guys. And there you have it, folks. Mamengwa, butterfly. Anamush, dog. Gajagents, cat. Waboos, rabbit. And Baka Akwayer, chicken. Anything else you guys want to add?
Not me.
I think that's probably enough for today, boss. Okay then, you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and yes, culture. I will see you again. Gigawaba Min Minawa. Hoa. Yeah, nicely done, you guys.
Oi, thank you, mate. Thank you very much indeed.
Yeah.
I got no time and I don't know why. I got no time and you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right. I don't feel the same way today. Today, I don't feel hey, I don't feel the same way put you on a pedestal till you were no longer credible, and I put you up so you could let me down. Oh, maybe it's time for time to leave this town. Maybe you heard I got no time, I don't know why. I got no time, and you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right. I don't feel the same way today. Today, I don't feel the same way today.
cancel, do it straight, record. Boozhoo ni Janishinabe Dug, and welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and today our Ojibwe phrase of the day, Anin, Eji Bamadaziyan. How are you? Anin, Eji Bamadaziyan. How are you? And to learn this phrase a little better, I'm going to pull up an old gibberish comic strip from Michael Lyons. Michael Lyons is not only a friend of the show, and actually he's the producer of the show, I guess, but he's also a cartoonist, and he did this comic strip. There we go. So here's gibberish, and there's a mamengwa, there's a butterfly, and he says, Ani, Eji Bamadaziyan, Migazi. And then there's Migazi, means eagle, Migazi. And Migazi says, Namino Ea, mamengwa. Namino Ea, how are you, eagle? I am well, butterfly. Anin, Eji Bamadaziyan, how are you? Anin, Eji Bamadaziyan, how are you? And that is our phrase for today. Anin, Eji Bamadaziyan, how are you? And I mean it, how are you really? I mean, just think about it. Are you okay? Are you, oh crap. Why do I keep ruining this? I guess I'm not feeling it. Stop. Cancel. Well, there you have it. You've been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minoa, Hoa. Yeah, that was a weird one, but I kind of like it. Hey.
Lying in my bed, I hear the clock tick and think of you. Caught up in circles, confusion is nothing new. Flashback, warm night, almost left behind. Suitcase of memories, time after, sometimes you picture me. I'm walking too far ahead, you're calling to me. I can't hear what are you saying then. You say, go slow, I fall behind. The second hand unwinds. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, after my pictures fade and darkness has turned to gray, watching through windows, you're wondering if I'm okay. Secrets stolen from deep inside. The drum beats out of time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. Oh, hey, yes, I'll be waiting. Yes, I will. Oh. time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time, say, if you're lost, you can look and you'll truly find me. On time after time, say, if you fall, I will catch you. I will be waiting. Yes, I will. Time after time. Oh, I'll be waiting, darling. Say, I'll never let you fall. I'll love you truly. I'll be waiting. Say, oh, I'll be waiting, darling. Now, on time after time, I'll be loving you always. I'll be loving you always. I'll be loving you always. I'll be loving you time after time. How long, how long? Time after time. How long, how long? Time after time. How long will I give? Time after time. How long, how long?
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the Anishinaabe?